Next thing is, 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. I got this for my car. This is a 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. Okay, pretty self-explanatory. It looks so small, so convenient. A really good suction. It even has, look at how tiny these are. So I'm gonna see if they can pick up. It does, and it keeps it in the barrel. And then here's one head. Here, oh, wait, I think you're supposed to keep the head on. And then here's a brush. Doesn't have as powerful of a suction, because here's a hair. Oh, I picked it up. Even hold a tissue. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. This is pretty cool. It stays in there. Oh, look at how dirty that I already got. And it picked up a lot. I mean, it even picked up things that I didn't see with the naked eye. Oh my God. I need like an air purifier. I really do. I think this is such an amazing purchase. And this is, again, this is just me freaking first impression opening it. And then I'm gonna take you guys in the car to see if it really picks up and all that stuff. It's just the only thing. It's just a little struggle for the air filter, but maybe you don't have to put it in all the way. You hear that power though? In a little thing. $5, $6 I spent on this. Not that bad for the price. Definitely a good purchase. Check it out below. The link is down there if you are looking for something like this.